Riżultati speċifiċi u konkreti. Hekk kienu deskritti l-konklużjonijiet li ħarġu mill-24 edizzjoni taċ-CHOGM f'Malta mid-Deputat Segretarju Ġenerali tal-Commonwealth. Dedodat Maharaj fisser kif pajjiżna għen fil-ħolqien ta' CHOGM imsejjes fuq pedamenti sodi li sarfu f'riżultati prattiċi. Riżultati li minnhom se jibbenefikaw il-pajjiżi kollha membri tal-Commonwealth flimkien ma' ċittadini tagħhom. Fost riżultati speċifiċi li rmarka dwarhom Maharaj hemm il-Climate Finance Access Hub.
Such as the Climate Finance Access Hub, which would help so many of our small and vulnerable states who need the climate finance. However, they don't have the capacity to do that.
F'dan il-kuntest fisser l-għan ewlieni ta' dan il-hub.
It will build the capacity of our smallest and most vulnerable countries in helping them to access the much needed climate finance.
Lilin minn dan il-hub, id-Deputat Segretarju Ġenerali tal-Commonwealth għamel referenza wkoll għaċ-ċentru ta' eċċellenza għall-istati żgħar. ċentru li se jixpruna sens ta' ekwità u ugwaljanza fost il-pajjiżi kollha membri tal-Commonwealth.
We also have in Malta a Centre of Excellence specifically focused on small states, demonstrating the commitment that we have as a Commonwealth to ensure that there is an equality of outcomes for all our member states, rich, poor, big, small island developing state, or landlocked Commonwealth country.
L-esperjenza ta' Maharaj brabta mal-konferenzi tal-Commonwealth tmur lura snin, għalhekk seta' jqabbel dak li seħħ f'Malta ma' pajjiżi oħra.
More importantly, in terms of how we are continuing to add global value by very clear and specific outcomes that will benefit Commonwealth member states and Commonwealth citizens wherever they are.